Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Anna Breeze Newman. Lovely to be with you here. Today, I would like to invite you on a very special journey, a transformative journey, a journey of self-discovery and spiritual awakening that can really help you find clarity and deeper purpose in your life. So, I know that many of us on an awakening journey, before we begin it, often we find that we feel there's something missing, something lacking in our lives. Or perhaps we're searching for just something more, a purpose that aligns with our heart and something that makes us feel more connected to the deeper sense of who we are. But often you're unsure maybe where to start in that process. So I know that feeling very well, and you're not alone. When I first went through a spiritual awakening, I didn't really know what was happening to me, and I didn't have anyone to talk to about it. It really took me years of self-searching and reading spiritual texts and listening to the masters to really start to put the pieces together again. But it took me, a long time to do it. And that's really where I'd like to help you, so you don't have to spend the next 20, 30 years of your life just trying to find out who you are and, to really tap into what your purpose is and what the special work that you came here to do is. So we want to try and, help you find that path to discovering what you love and being able to do it. Because the world right now, it needs you and your gifts. It needs you to be passionate about what you love and to share that, because we're all in this wonderful new space of Pluto just went into Aquarius, and well, that's meaning that the next 20 years is a time of innovation and humanitarianism. So we've all got the energy supporting us to really step into our own purpose now and to live more authentically. The old systems are crumbling, the old ways of doing things, how we make our money. And so as each one of us really takes that courage to take those steps towards being our true selves, being authentic to who we are, then we create that path and the opportunity for everybody to eventually do that as well. So many of us are really feeling this nudge right now, but we don't always know what those steps are to take. And that's why I created the WISE method in book form first. This is a self-discovery process and course at the moment, designed to help you uncover your unique life purpose. So whether you're called to be an earth steward, an empathic changemaker, healer, or something else entirely of your own, the course that I'm sharing with you today is really here to guide you in awakening and discovering the path closest to your heart. So the course that I want to share with you about is based on this book, where I explore how deeply connected we all are to each other and to life on Earth. This awareness of our interconnectedness can transform the way we live, helping us to lead more purposeful, compassionate lives. So in the course form, which I'm about to share, you'll be guided through 4 powerful modules that help you reconnect with your inner wisdom, whilst giving you the tools and the clarity on your life's mission so that you can then take meaningful action in service to the planet and all living beings. So those 4 modules, just briefly, the first one is Who Am I? And we're really looking at discovering your deepest desires and to explore, what it is you want, the qualities that you wish to embody, and to really explore your true why, the reason behind you being here, really. What did you sign up for when you came here to Earth at this time? So we're kind of uncovering your soul's blueprint and looking into, what your unique purpose is. So the second pillar is self-inquiry and identity, and really covers understanding your beliefs, how they formed, where they came from, and what's holding you back from living fully. Because each one of us basically absorbs a lot of the patterns and the programming from our parents and our schooling education system. And these are often very limiting ideas about ourselves and our place in the world and what each one of us is really capable of. So we'll be doing meditations that really help you connect with the source within you, and help you to really establish that connection to your higher sense of self. So Module 3 covers energy healing techniques, meditation, positive affirmations, so that you can learn to build that confidence and trust in yourself as you reconnect to your own divinity, before all the programming, beyond the thoughts and beliefs that limit us. And Module 4 becomes the expression of your true self. That's where we explore how to become the embodiment of this new version of yourself. And this is the freer version of yourself, where you've let go a lot of the programming and the old beliefs that weigh you down. So this is where you can really discover and tap into your unique role and purpose, and to start living it in alignment with your heart. So it isn't just another self-help course, it's a spiritual awakening. It's a transformative process and course that you'll go through and journey. Each module is designed to help you expand awareness, enhance empathy, self-compassion, as well as compassion towards others, and foster your ability to create a lasting positive impact on the world around you in whatever role or mission that you feel most called to serve. So I want to emphasize, though, that you don't have to walk this path alone. This invitation is not that you're out there on your own without support. When you join the Wise Method e-course, you'll be part of a supportive, like-minded community. We have a Facebook group. You're all on this journey together, sharing insights, offering encouragement, and walking side by side as we all grow and awaken. And for those of you who are looking for more personalized guidance, there's an option for one-to-one holistic life coaching sessions to support you as you move through the modules in the course. And this one-to-one life coaching sessions are with me, and really will help you deepen your spiritual practice and offer you the tailored support that you need on your path. So there's an option to take the course on its own, and or to have one-to-one coaching with me as well. So who is this for? What am I talking about? Okay, this course is for empaths, healers, spiritual seekers, awakening souls, and those who feel called to make a difference but are unsure how to align their actions with their purpose. And as I said, Pluto's just gone into Aquarius. The energies are supporting humanitarian efforts like never before. So if you resonate with this calling, now is the time to step forward. So if you've been feeling lost, or you're looking for a way to contribute more deeply to the planet, to help the animals, or just to, affect your own community and help the people around you, I invite you to enroll in this course today. You can get started now as you take it online. You've got your own portal community, your own online portal, so you can go through it at your own pace. And yep, there's an option to work with me as well. So let's walk this path together towards awakening, unity, and compassionate action for all life on Earth, as each one of us, does our own deepening, healing work. We influence the rest of the planet by raising our own vibration and healing our own traumas and limiting beliefs. It's time for each one of us to really just step into our power, step into our empowerment, and to share who we are authentically in a way that feels right for us. The planet needs you and your gifts right now, so You can enroll by clicking the link in the description below. And as a special bonus, I'm offering a free clarity call for those of you who want more personalized guidance as you take your first steps on this journey. So when you sign up for the course, you'll get a free clarity call as well. So thank you for being here, for caring so deeply. I just want to thank you for answering the call of your heart today. I can't wait to see you inside the Wise Method. Together we can make a profound difference, one compassionate action at a time. So thank you all for being here. I'm sending you so much love and light, and I hope to see you all very, very soon. Take care. Namaste.